Well, hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today we've listed the top 10 largest land vehicles in the world. I am pretty sure that you will get amazed. So what are we waiting for? Let the fun begin. At the 10th spot, we have Beyaz 75710. The Beyaz 75710 is an ultra-class haul truck manufactured in Belarus by Beyaz. As of 2013, it was the world's largest and highest payload capacity haul truck. It has a conventional two-axle setup, but the wheels are doubled, one to an axle, imitating the 1950s International Pay Hauler 350. It has a capacity of 5,600 liters of fuel, 538 liters of engine oil, and 1,800 liters of hydraulic fluid. To save fuel, an ingenious method has been developed by alternating the engines to create uniform wear when there is little or no load, with the option to engage both engines at the touch of a button. The Beyaz 75710 has a peak torque of 13,738 pounds per foot, about 24 times what a 2014 Formula One car's engine can manage, and that was amazing. Coming in at number 9, we have Komatsu P and HL 2350. The Komatsu P and HL 2350 is the world's largest wheel loader, designed to center-load haul trucks with capacities of up to 360 tons. It has an operating payload of 73 tons, a lift height of 7.03 meters, and a reach of 3.5 meters. The L2350 is powered by a 16-cylinder Detroit diesel engine with a rating of up to 2,300 horsepower, and its standard bucket has a capacity of 40.5 cubic meters. The SR hybrid drive system is fully regenerative, allowing for up to 45% less fuel consumption than comparably sized mechanical drive wheel loaders. Komatsu Mining Corporation, previously Joy Global, has partnered with First Quantum Minerals to supply a P&H L2350 wheel loader for Sentinel Copper Mine in Zambia. At number 8, it's Caterpillar 6090 FS. The Caterpillar 6090 FS is a massive and powerful electric mining shovel designed for heavy-duty excavation in mining operations. It features a colossal bucket capacity, making it capable of moving vast amounts of material in a single scoop. This shovel is electrically powered, which reduces emissions and operating costs compared to diesel-powered equipment. The 6090 FS is known for its durability and reliability in the challenging environments of mining sites, contributing to increased productivity and efficiency in large-scale mining operations. Climbing up to the 7th position, we have Liebherr LR 13000. The Liebherr LR 13000 crawler crane is the most powerful conventional crawler crane in the world, with a maximum load capacity of 3,000 tons and a hoist height of 236 meters. It is commonly used in power plant construction and refineries, where it is required to hoist industrial columns weighing 1,500 t and measuring 100 m in length. The crane is also the only one in its class that can operate without derrick ballast, thanks to a slewing ring developed by Liebherr engineers and manufactured in-house. The crane has redundant drive units, making it fail-safe. The LR 13000 is the largest crawler crane in the world, capable of hoisting loads of 3,000 tons up to 236 meters, making it a popular choice for LEGO Technic sets. Taking the 6th spot is Dodge Power Wagon. The Dodge Power Wagon is a legendary off-road pickup truck with a rich history dating back to World War II. Originally designed for military use, it's known for its ruggedness and exceptional off-road capabilities. Over the years, it has evolved into a civilian vehicle, retaining its robust 4x4 design and heavy-duty construction. Coming to the point, this Dodge Power Wagon is the world's biggest car, and that's not the only reason I kept it in 6th place. This giant truck is not just a normal truck. It is more like a house. It has a bedroom, living room, and more. I like this truck. That's why I kept it in 6th place. In the 5th place, we find NASA Crawler Transporters. NASA's crawler transporters, also known as Missile Crawler Transporter Facilities, are a pair of tracked vehicles used to transport spacecraft from NASA's Vehicle Assembly Building to Launch Complex 39. They were originally used to transport the Saturn IB and Saturn V rockets during the Apollo, Skylab, and Apollo-Soyuz programs. The crawler transporters are two of the largest vehicles ever built, carrying spacecraft to and from the launch pad at 1 mile per hour. NASA plans to use Crawler Transporter 2 to transport the Space Launch System with the Orion spacecraft atop it from the Vehicle Assembly Building to Launch Pad 39B for the Artemis missions. The Crawler Transporter 2 set a Guinness World Record as the heaviest self-powered vehicle, weighing approximately 6.65 million pounds, equivalent to about 15 Statues of Liberty or 1,000 pickup trucks. At number 4, we have Schwerer Gustav. Schwerer Gustav, also known as the Gustav Gun, was one of the largest and most powerful artillery pieces ever built. This massive railway gun was developed by Nazi Germany during World War II. It had an enormous caliber of 800 mm and could fire shells weighing several tons over distances of over 30 miles. Just one bullet from this killing machine is way bigger than a human. If the bullet is this size, just imagine how big the Gustav gun was. I just leave it to your imagination. Schwerer Gustav was primarily designed for siege warfare and played a significant role during the siege of Sevastopol in 1942. Due to its immense size and logistical challenges, it was a formidable but rarely used weapon. After the war, the gun was dismantled by the Allies. Schwerer Gustav remains a testament to the extremes of military engineering during wartime. Before going to the top 3, if you managed to get this long, I think you liked the video. For more interesting videos, just subscribe to my channel and get lots of entertainment along with knowledge. All you need to do is click on the subscribe button. The 3rd position goes to Big Muskie. Big Muskie was a coal mining dragline excavator owned by the Central Ohio Coal Company, weighing 13,500 short tons and standing nearly 22 stories tall. The big thing you see in the image was just a bucket held by a Big Muskie. If the bucket is this huge, just imagine how big the Big Muskie was. It was the largest single bucket digging machine ever created and one of the world's largest mobile earth-moving machines. Built in 1969, it could move 39 million pounds of earth and rock every hour, revealing rich coal seams 150 feet down in southeastern Ohio. BM could swing its boom 600 feet, creeping across the landscape on 4 giant shoes. Due to its massive size, it had to be built on site, and more than 300 rail cars and 250 trucks hauled the necessary pieces to Muskingum Mine. It took a team of engineers more than 2 years to erect Big Muskie. In 2nd place, we have the F-60 Overburden Conveyor Bridge. The F-60 Overburden Conveyor Bridge is one of the largest movable technical industrial machines in the world. It was way bigger than the Eiffel Tower. This beast can't even fit on the screen in one piece because it's so long. It is a steel construction with integrated belt systems that spans the whole open-cast mining area and connects the extraction side with the side where the overburden was dropped. It was built by the former Volkswagener Betrieb Tuckraf in Lauchhammer and is a series of 5 overburden conveyor bridges used for brown coal open-cast mining in the Lusatian coalfields of Germany. The steel giant, which weighs 13,500 tons, was able to skim a maximum of 60 meters of overburden. It is situated in the Lausitz countryside near Lichterfeld and is now the star attraction at the F-60 Visitor Colliery, where visitors can climb the steel colossus as part of a round-trip tour of the site. Finally, at the top spot, it's Bagger 293. The Bagger 293 is a giant bucket wheel excavator built in Germany in 1995. It requires a crew of 5 to operate and can move over 8.5 million cubic feet of earth per day. To put that in perspective, that is the equivalent of digging a hole the length of a football field and over 80 feet deep in a day. Weighing over 31 million pounds, the Bagger 293 isn't going anywhere fast. It took over 3 weeks for the excavator to make the 80-mile journey from the factory to the Garzweiler mine it would first call home, traveling at the blistering pace of 1 kilometer per hour. The Bagger 293 uses a large 70-foot rotating wheel at the end of a long arm. This wheel has a series of buckets attached, and as the wheel rotates, the buckets pick up the earth and dump it onto a conveyor belt. The conveyor belts will transport the earth to other vehicles for removal to the dumping site. It was like gigantic metal moving when we saw it while it was working. Before we end this video, let's end it with a joke. Here we go. Why did it take so long for the pirates to learn the alphabet? Because they got stuck at sea. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video. Until then, bye!